Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool wall telephone. This is a wooden wall telephone, and this is David's telephone from California. And basically, this is a very sought-after telephone. We get a lot of calls about these, and a lot of people looking for these or wanting to have the ones that they have repaired. And basically on David's, he says it rings, but he can no longer answer the telephone. So I'll show you something here real quick. I do have the handset cord is not plugged in. It doesn't need to be, because this telephone would, if you took the receiver off the handset, it would answer the telephone, and you wouldn't get any dial tone or transmit until you connected up the handset cord. But since I have it apart, this is an initial checkout of this telephone. And basically what I'm going to do is, he had a DSL filter. I have it apart because we're going to be troubleshooting this telephone. He had a DSL filter stuffed on the inside of this telephone. So basically they took the back panel of this telephone off and installed a DSL filter on the inside of this telephone, because they have it on the wall and you couldn't hang it, evidently. But anyway, it made it easier for him to do it that way, and that's the way it's done. So basically, we're going to go ahead and ring the telephone. I'm going to let that go one more time. And as you can see, like he said, I'm going to stop the ring. Like he said, it will not answer the telephone. And I'm going to try to spin the telephone around here real quick and basically give you a look at the board in this telephone. And this gives you some kind of an idea of what the telephone board looks like on the inside. And basically what we're going to have to do is troubleshoot this board out. And I've already checked. We've done some initial checks on this telephone. We know that the hook switch is good, and it's got conductivity. And so basically what we're going to be troubleshooting is the board, the main PC board. So we know that there is a problem. Now, this could have been due to a power surge on the line. Sometimes they will give out on their own. It just depends. And we'll know more when we troubleshoot out the board and try to find out what's going on with this telephone. It's just one of those things where we have to troubleshoot. But this was a really cool telephone. The parts for them are very hard to find, because most of them are in working condition, and the ones that aren't, most people kept and held on to these telephones looking for somebody to repair them. So you know, it's a cool telephone, and this gives you a look at some of the inside on the main PC board. It's just a troubleshooting issue now, and we'll have to go through the process of troubleshooting. This is the handset on the telephone, and the line is actually, you know, the telephone is plugged in, so the line is active on this telephone right now. It's not the DSL filter. We've basically taken that out of the line. Sometimes it can be the DSL filter. What I'm going to do here real quick is I'm going to go ahead and unplug the DSL filter for you. We'll get that out of the way, and then we'll go ahead and plug it in. I'm going to go ahead and reach around, and I'm going to go ahead and ring this telephone again. ahead and stop the ring now. So we know this telephone is not accessing the line, and so it's not seizing the line. And we'll just go through the board and see what we find. This is the initial check out of a wooden wall telephone, and this is David's telephone from California. It's a really cool telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. I'm going to spin the telephone around here real quick and give you another look at the front of it. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.